Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will teach you how to apply group policies settings to a specific user and not affect all Windows users. To start, we will give a right-click on the Windows button, and then you will click on Run. In the window that opens, enter the MMC command to open the User Account Control console. Press the Enter key or click the OK button. You must accept the Windows permissions message before you can perform the task. A window will open where everything associated with the Windows Management Console will be managed. Here you are going to click on the File menu, and in the list that opens, you must click on the option called Add or Remove Snap-in. Then, a new window will open. In it, you will go to the right panel and you must select an option with the name Group Policy Object Editor. When you have selected it, you will click on the Add button located in the central part of the window. After this, a new window will open, where you will click on Browse. Now in that new window, you must click on the Users tab. There you will select the desired user to whom the policy will be applied. Once chosen, click OK. After this, click on OK again, and you will see that this new policy has been created, but it will only apply to a particular user. Now it's time to save this process. For this, you will go to the File menu, and in the list that appears, click on Save As. Enter the name and path where you want this record to be saved. Once you're ready, tap Save to apply your changes. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. On the left side of the console, you can see the structure of the policy that can be used for that user. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.